Next exception is the act done with the consent. Section 90 is about the consent known to be given under the fear or the misconception. Means here the consent is given under the fear or misconception. Section 90. A consent intended by the code is not such a consent if it is given by. Means what is not considered as a consent under the section 90? A person under the fear of an inquiry or the misconception of a fact, and the person doing the act knows or has reason to believe that the consent was given in the consequence of such a fear or misconception. Means the consent which is given by the fear or because of the misconception, or a person who from the unsoundness of a mind or intoxication is unable to understand the nature and the consequence of that to which he gives his consent. Means first is here consent is given because of the fear or misconception. Second is the person who is of a unsoundness of a mind, or he or she has been intoxicated and he don't know what will be the consequence of giving such a consent, or the person who is under the age of 12 years of a age. In these three cases, if the consent is given, then such will be not considered as a consent. On this, the question is asked, what is not considered as a consent or what is not a consent under section 90? This is the answer. In these three cases, if consent is given, then it will be not considered as a consent.